Hello student, in this video I am going to explain you about the HCF, how you can find HCF by prime factorization. Let's take the example, finding HCF by prime factorization. Prime factorization. Let us take example of 120 and 360. We have to find the HCF of 120 and 360 by prime factorization. How we can find it? First we have to write 120. Now we will divide this 120 by prime number. So first prime number, the smallest prime number is 2. We will divide by 2. We will get 60. 2 into 60, 120. We have got one prime number. Now this is not the prime number, so we'll again make the factor of this. We'll carry this prime number 2. Now we'll make the factor of 60. So 2 into 30. We have got again another prime number. We'll continue with this 2 into 2, 2 into 2, and now we'll make the factor of 30 by a prime number. So 2 into 15. We have got the prime numbers. Now 15 is not the prime number. Again we will make it factor. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. It will be 15. 3 into 5, 15. Now we have got all the prime factors of 120. Now about 360. We will divide it by 2. It will be 180. Again we will divide this 180 by another prime number. So we will carry this 2 into 90. Again this, we have got the 2 prime number. Again this, which is not the prime number, will be divided by another prime number. So we will carry this 2 into, we will divide this 90 by 2 into 45. Now we will carry over here 2 into 2 into 2. We have written this number. Now this 45 will be divided by, will not be divided by 2. So we will divide by next prime number, which is 3. 3, 15, 45. Again 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 15. This 15 will be divided by again 3, 3, 5, 15. Now we have got all the prime numbers of prime factors of 360. Now we will find the common prime factors. Common factors of 120 and 360. Which is the common? Here is 2. In 360 also is 2. So we will write 2 one time. Again we will find 2. So we will write only for one time. For next prime number 2. Here is also 2. So we will write 2. Here is 3. Here is also 3. So we will write 3. Now here is in 360 is 3, but in 120 there is no other 3. So we will not take this 3 as a common prime factor. So we'll take 5 into 5. Now hence HCF of 120 and 360 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. We will multiply all these digits, we will get the HCF. Now to make it easy way for the multiplication, we can multiply 2 to the 4. 4 into 2 into 3 into 5 for easy way. Now 4 to the 8. 4 to the 8. 8 will continue 3 into 5. Now 8 3 is 24 into 5. Now we will multiply 24 into 5. We will get the HCF 120. 5 4 is 22 carry and 5 2 is 10 to 12. 120 is the HCF of 136. We have found this by prime factorization method.